Okay, let's start. So I was the last one to do it, right? To be the driver, right? So I guess it's your turn.
Yeah, for a second.
Okay. Sure.
Wait a second. Ah, it's wrong. Yeah, it's long. Okay.
Okay.
How about that? Okay.
So yeah, we were done with the first part of part two, right?
Yeah. So we're gonna work on part two. I have to share my screen, right?
Yeah.
It up. Here we go. The time you started.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go for the next part. Uh, so we actually over with. We are part three right now, or
No, are we done with part two? I mean, isn't there anything left for part two?
we actually says all selected.
What are those? Yeah.
Should movie step and consider for the scenario already selected. It would
Yeah. It's
say to
no.
use.
Read the part four. Yeah, we're done with part two then. Okay.
I mean, this part we are over with it.
Yeah. Yeah. Done.
We are over with this part. I mean, this part. That's not your rating. Every single movie that would detect from the goal BDD to convey
I
the
think we're done with it. I
behavioral.
mean, no, Jim, read the fourth step. I mean, I think we're done. It says you, I mean, if we get all green checks as in like success and filter movie list, we're done with part two, which we did, right?
Yes. Yeah, let me see what I should see. All the movie consider counting the number of row implemented step. If you haven't completed it row, number of table, you can see the assertion expect row. Did did we did this one?
I don't think so.
The
Yeah,
from
I think
part
we need.
two?
No, we didn't. I mean,
This part here,
we didn't
all
need to do
selected.
that.
Oh, what about what we should not see when we unselected
Yeah, I think we need to add that too.
and what we should not see? Yeah, we need to add this thing because into PG are visible. Yeah, we have to do this step here.
Mm-hmm.
Did you see it here on the last
Yeah, I
line?
did. Yeah,
And how it's work and I should not see or
and I should not see. I mean, we need to check the web steps file, right?
yeah and
So that was around like 130, 230 or something, right? No,
ready
that's
for what?
actually
But we should not see the help. Not
yeah.
see
It's
the
I should
help.
not see. Yeah,
Should not see the help. And what else?
chocolate.
Should not say chocolat.
You're French, by the way, right?
So, yeah, I speak French. Yeah,
Last name is French, I
chocolat.
guess, right? So
Last
how many
name
languages do you know? I mean,
25 chocolate.
you know 25 languages?
95. 25.
Okay. I was like, oh, 25? I mean, seriously?
Chocolate. What should be nuts, And this thing is too slow, man.
Yeah, let me try typing it on my side. I think it's a bit faster.
No, it's fine. Now we take the should copy the letters. Ay, negrita. This is the last one. Chicken.
I've done the chicken run, and let's see. Incredibles run 2001 Space Odyssey is still there. So
Aladdin. Yeah. You do it? Aladdin
I'm
also.
doing
We
it.
should not see Aladdin.
You do Aladdin, I've done this one.
Yeah, that's it.
Cool. Yeah. It was passing before,
And
so I think it should be passing right now, right?
Aladdin Terminal.
Let's count it out. One, two, three, four, five,
Yeah, this.
six. Should be 10 of them, right? And this should also be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's actually 11. Did I count it wrong? 3, 6. Now this adds up to,
Two,
what the hell is it?
4, 6, 8, 10. It's exactly
It's
10.
10, right?
2,
Okay.
4, 6, 10. Yeah.
Okay. We'll try that.
So that's, we actually should have like 20 pass.
Passed? All of them? Alright.
Typing for sure.
24.
Aladdin. Chocolate.
24 scenarios.
I should
Should
not
not
see
see
the
the
help.
help. Yeah, it's something wrong with the help, I guess. The
Yeah,
first one.
what is it? It's help. It's exactly the same word.
Yeah,
Should
exactly.
not, should, and I should not see.
The help is odd. Let's try commenting this out. And I think we should see a similar for chocolate as well.
No, the next one will not pass.
No,
And I should.
there's something wrong with and I should not see. It should be something else, I guess.
So we
Otherwise,
have
it
to
won't
check
really, yeah, exactly, web steps.
34. What about the movie step? Something we have to uncommented.
Maybe,
No, we
let's
move
see.
this. I should see all the movie. I mean, we actually have
That part is still to be
to
actually implemented, right? I mean, that's a different one. I mean, I
we
guess
have to
that's part 3 or something. Is it?
we need to implement the logic inside when I check, when I uncheck.
Okay.
There should be a logic here.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, what can be?
I think they provided us with a grading list, right? So if it's a list, it must be able to. We can split it using. on like comma, like yeah, uh, at commas and all, right? I mean, if
Where?
it's a list, try
What
doing
about the
that.
logic from here? We need the logic from when I check. I mean, I would say they say use the strength split list. So we have to use
Yeah, split to split and
the
split. Yeah.
waiting list.
It
We have to
says
split
to
it.
check. Yeah, it also says to check out line 89 and 95 of websteps.rb, right?
I'm actually in movie step.
Yeah, there only it says over here, right? The third comment, when I uncheck steps in lines 89 to 95 of websteps.rb. Can you see that?
Where exactly? I don't see it. Which line?
The
Tell
line
me the line
which you're
because I
editing
don't see
right
the
now,
screen.
see 26.
Yeah, when I uncheck step in line 89 and web step. Ah, we can check what is.
Yeah,
Yeah, but
exactly.
it's exactly what they say we have to do it also here. 2089. So we need this uncheck field. Uh, I mean 89 from here when I check. When I uncheck, and what I would say, I
Hmm.
would iterate over the
The
over those
elements.
waiting lists we have of the element of the value over waiting list we have.
Okay.
I would say for
Yeah, we
each
can do that. Yeah.
each I would actually pass a block.
Hmm.
We said for the check-in list,
Hmm.
it can be uh waiting list. It would uncheck. If it's unchecked,
It's
then
I uncheck, right? It's not uncheck, is it? It says over here, right? When I uncheck and when I uncheck.
yeah, when I uncheck, I would say if it's unchecked, if
Hmm.
it's unchecked, then check the waiting list, which
Okay.
is we take this variable here, waiting um, the variable come from here. You see my screen?
Yeah, that's fine. I think it's fine.
And then else, what about this? Something is missing. Ah, yeah. Ah, okay. It's okay. Here. Uh-huh. This thing is to be else, which
Hmm.
is what I'm doing. I'm using the short with um if statement.
Okay.
And check Why this? Yeah. Um, so, yeah, I say
Mm-hmm.
here we need this. I said if we check we split the the PG the R we split them with a comma,
Yeah.
you know. Then we iterate over every checkbox. If it's
Mm-hmm.
check, we
Okay.
turn this list.
Okay.
We turn that check, which
Mm-hmm.
is PG can check or PG-13 or air or can check.
Yeah.
When
Okay.
it's not check, we turn what is not checked.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah. But what's this error that's actually showing in front of this line? You see an X mark over there, right?
Yeah, something's not closed here.
Still there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this.
because yeah, the parenthesis is supposed to move out, right? Okay.
Yeah. So let's see the test again. And yes,
We will pass. Undefined step. Aladdin it's showing to be undefined, right? It's passing for all the other ones. It's passing for all the tests that are supposed to be checked, but not the ones that are supposed to be unchecked.
what is the problem with Aladdin?
See, I think the spelling. You spelled it SES, right? I should
What is this?
SES. Yeah, it should be. I should not see, or I should not SES. That says or something. Yeah.
Okay, yes, yes. I should not. So what come next? It's loading or the? Hold on.
You have to press enter, right? Did you press enter?
I did press enter. Yeah. Oh,
Oh yeah,
I
it's
did
passing
not.
now. Everything passed.
So we are finished with this step.
Yeah.
Successful all rating select successful is when all scenario in filter movie feature pass with all step green. Yeah, I don't know what else. I mean, we can go for the part three.
Yeah. Have we done with all reading selected? Yeah, it's already done, right? I mean, your case. I mean, the code that you put in actually covers both of them, right? I mean, when nothing is selected and when everything is selected. So yeah, it's fine.
I think so. Is there anything? Or nah, we are not there. We should actually, when all is selected now, we are
Mm-hmm.
not finished.
We're not.
Mm-mm. We need a scenario. It's actually a scenario
Is
says
there a scenario that's given like that, or do we type it in? Or
when all is selected, so
yeah,
we
yeah,
are
there
not
is.
finished.
Yeah, there is an assignment for that. Yeah, it's there in filter movie list, line number 49.
And also under,
Line number
oh,
49. Okay.
I cannot see 49. I don't know what is on there. 49. Oh yeah. Oh, it was there.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's there.
So what is it now? Uh, I mean,
Yeah, I think we can just actually
when I
type it out
select
loud.
all, I mean when I select all now, right?
Yeah.
When I
Let's just check the web steps first. I mean, is there something like that, or do we need to actually type it in one by one?
I mean, we use the same thing what is here.
No,
It should
I
be the
got that. I'm
same.
just asking if there's some. Yeah, they're using. They asked us to use the same thing, right? That's fine. Okay, it makes sense.
I mean, all actually. We should
Yeah.
check PG 13, and what else? G 24, 5. What else? Or we have or already 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's it, right? I
GDR.
mean, yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
You can remove the last
You think
comma.
we don't need all
We
of
just need
this.
this thing, right?
We need,
No,
I
it
think,
it did ask us
when
to
we
actually
select
use what
all.
we've used before, right?
Yeah, but I mean we don't need all this you think?
I mean, they did tell us that there's a dry way to do this thing, which they will be showing us later in the course. For now, to actually just go with this thing, I guess. Let's try it out first and see.
I mean when I say that I would should see all the movie, I don't think so that I have to specify. Let's just try it out. Specify every names of the
Okay.
movies because I think they say it here. I should see all the movie.
Is there one? And that's what I was searching
All
in this thing, like the web steps, but I can find one. Is there something like that? All
Oh, actually, we are not in step 4. We are in step 3.
that's step three.
Yeah, here is a
Okay, yeah.
selector.
For the
Then
scenarios.
I should see the name of a single movie, the DVD conversion. Then I should see all the movie. Here is
Okay, there it is. My bad.
all the movie. Is it pass?
Yeah, it did pass a pass.
I mean, we can leave it. I don't know.
No, let's change it. I mean, the autograder will test us according to this only, right?
Yeah, we better do
Anyways,
what
your
they
time is up.
say.
I think I need to switch on to the driver's seat now.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Okay, I think I just need to actually just do this. Then I should see. And I should see all of these. That's it, right?
Should be on the home page. Yeah, and I should
Yeah,
see all the
that's it.
movie.
Okay, let's try passing this. Okay, one undefined. See, I told you. I mean,
Undefined
there's
what?
no steps. Even I can find a
Undefined?
step like that.
What is undefined actually?
This thing, and I should see all of the movies. I couldn't see. I couldn't find this thing. I mean, I should see all of the movies.
I mean, let's
As
check it. Check it from web store and web blah 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 web step
yeah, I
because they
mean,
should write it something. But
exactly.
on the script you say,
Do you
let's see what we
see
get.
anything?
Let me check now.
Well, I'm on and blah blah blah.
All the movie.
Okay, I think we need to define it first. I should see all the movies. It's part of movie steps, so we need to define it first.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Mhm. Okay, let me just see it again. This again. It's create a step definition that will need to consider counting the number of rows in the HTML table. Carefully rows have a number of tables. Okay. Have you used this function before? Expect. No, right?
I mean, I would like we said body here. I would say page all.
Okay.
No.
What about rows? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Fine.
I
Fine.
mean,
Okay.
I will.
Okay. Yeah, and then
Yeah, the ID table, the table class from the movie ID.
okay. It's size, right?
Yeah, but I think you need
Or a variable.
actually from this thing when we check here, we have
Hmm.
from the views.
Yeah.
What is it? What is it? View. We have a class table ID movie.
Hmm. That I did got it. So it's actually a movie, and then
Yeah,
it's table row, right?
yes, TR, and
Uh
then
huh.
we have to check. We have to make a count. We have to check actually to know if all the movies is there. We have to count it. You
Okay.
know. Yeah, you
Uh,
can also use
yeah,
size.
that's what it was.
You can also use size.
And then we need to compare it with the movie
With the
database,
movie
right?
count. Yeah, the yeah. hmm
Okay, let's try
You
that
don't
one.
need this bracket. Don't need the parentheses. The parentheses. Yeah.
Still not passing.
I mean, let use count is better. Actually, we
Okay.
use should we use should here because should is a
Sure.
part of Ruby. I would say count should compare to movie count. Yeah. No, you need this those equals compare. We need to compare it that we can get all this movie. And I think
Yeah.
you cannot just access the TR inside the movie ID. You need to pass from movie ID to T body. Is actually the the list of movie body. T body.
Let me
You need
see. It's supposed to be views, right? Views.
check the view again. You will see exactly the hierarchy because I think you need here T body also.
Mm, okay. It goes, yeah, it
The
goes T
second,
body and then like TR, right?
yeah. But I don't know. You should also put the table because the table is the top level. Let's see if it
But
passed
we're
through.
already accessing like the through it. Right, it's ID, right? So that thing it's already selected, I guess. It's still not
No,
passing.
it's still not pass. We need the we need the table that you can go to this
But then
body.
what's the use of the ID, right? I mean, if you're using table, then
Yeah, you need
uh,
the I. Yeah, it has to be like this: the table and then the movie ID.
really,
This is the hierarchy from the page. We get the table, we get the ID, and then we get
okay.
the T body and then the TR.
So like this one, right?
Yeah, like this one.
Kind of.
Table, movies. Oh, you don't. Oh, there was a problem. We don't have movie. We have movies.
Okay, the table is this is supposed to be movies.
The IDs movies.
The ID is movies. Let's move. Okay, you. That's
And I think
movies.
we can remove
Table, right?
the table.
Yeah, exactly. It
Uh,
doesn't make much sense. It's still not passing.
it's still not passing. You remove it
Yeah,
before it was passed or after?
mm, regardless, it wasn't passing whether it was there or not. Didn't make
There's a
any difference.
video here on page on you can implement definition can undefined step with the snippet. I should see all the movies. What do you put there on the movie list? I should see all the movies. Yeah. Why does it work?
And okay,
T
okay.
body.
Fail implements. What does it say? I mean, what does the exact 53 maybe let's start feature. And I should see all. Okay, got it. I should see all of this probably was there.
Ah, all movies, right?
Yeah, yeah. Now it's passing.
Just one. This thing is so crazy. Yeah, now everything is good.
So we have this part. Are we done with this part? The fourth part, or were we were at the third part, right?
We're still on the third part. We're not
Okay.
finished, I think.
Use your new step definition to complete this scenario. Already selected. All readings selected. Okay, we've done that. We implemented this thing. And the third part
But
was asking us to implement this part in movie
what
steps.
about when we not see them?
I think I read something about that. Yeah, it says over here, right? Update,
Yeah,
you no longer need to implement the scenario for no reading selected.
yeah.
So we can skip that, right?
Skip. We have to write something for this.
Now, it says over here, right? You no longer need to implement the scenario for no reading selected.
What do you see? You on
It's in
part
the,
three.
yeah, part three only, last line. Can't you see my screen?
Wait. Okay. Update. No longer implement scenario for no wedding selected. Eh? But we just put it now.
That's for like all ratings, right? You can do for no ratings.
Uh, and then leave it when we don't
Yeah,
have to
I
put it.
think. Yeah, exactly. So,
You will remove it or
I think we should just leave it like this, right?
We should leave it like this, I think.
Yeah.
No, we will not remove it.
What are you asking me to move?
Leave that thing. Um, I don't have this. What? Ah, okay, here. Let me read this again. And consider counting the number of rows in the HTML to implement this step. If you have computed row as the number of table row, you can use assertion expect row to equal value to fail the test. In case the value don't match update, you no longer need to implement the scenario for no waiting selected. Okay. hmm So what is next? Actually, we need to.
So it's done, right? Should I commit it?
Yeah, I think you can comment it. Actually, we have to move for part four.
Okay, done.
Use a new step definition to complete
What are you
scenario
reading?
or waiting selected. Is when all scenario is filter mode pass with all step green. What we have selected already. Part
Yeah,
four
we have
and part
selected
three.
all.
What is the difference?
No, the difference is in part three, I believe it was asking us to define the this part over here in the movie function, movie steps.rb, and in part four, it's asking us to use that function to actually define a scenario over here in filter movie lists.
To define another scenario?
Part three doesn't actually require us to define the scenario. It was just asking us to define the step inside movie step, and part four asked us to define the
Yeah, I
scenario.
got it. So we are
Okay,
finished with four. Actually, we
yeah,
could move for.
part three now.
Okay. What about the time you started?
Yeah, I'm looking at the time right now. I still have like 7 more minutes.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, happy parts of starting movies by title and release date. So this name is not rulers. It's certainly steps and test for the one movie. I think we've done this part right. We actually did define this step over here. I should see this before that. This one over here.
Selected it. I don't see it.
Okay, hold on.
Make a selection.
Yeah, this one. This one. We defined this
Okay.
thing.
Uh-huh. Yeah, we should be over.
Yeah, and it asks us to do this thing, right? I mean, sort movie, since scenario in sort movie, while sorting, you'll need to be able to have steps that test whether one movie appears before another in the output listing. That's exactly what we did, right?
Yeah,
Over here.
but actually, yeah. So actually, we need the to go to sort movie future.
Yeah,
We wrote the logic before we moved the step.
before we actually use it, right?
That was it.
Okay, I sort movie. When I follow movie title, and here I should actually use a click, right, or a press button, maybe.
Uh,
Hmm?
I don't know. What is the logic? What they say exactly?
The logic is supposed to be it's sorted. I mean, remember we actually implemented sorting in movie
Ah,
title. Yeah,
yeah. When I okay.
so it's supposed to see
No,
whether
actually, you have to say which
yeah
waiting is still follow. I mean. You need the
No,
same logical from the first one, from the logic when I
yeah,
follow
exactly.
ratings.
Uh-huh.
Hmm. Then I
So,
check the follow. Then I check the following ratings, blah
so
blah
yeah,
blah,
okay, okay, fine. When I check,
and then you can just copy it, pass it, save time. That's too
it's
late.
fine.
PG and
Almost done. Yeah, right. I will done. So I will P, yeah, PG. Okay,
uh
and I should be checking right, and then I should be, I guess,
yeah, then I press
I should be on.
and I press
No, it already
because
states when I follow movie title, right?
I
So
follow
it's all.
movie title.
Mhm. So shouldn't be like
What
already
come
sorted.
next?
Okay, then like yeah, and you're right. And I press, is it, or is it like what's the word that we use for
Yeah, press. I would go with
press mode?
press.
Yeah. I was just confirming whether it's press or is it like refresh. Then right,
Uh-huh.
then I should be. It's on the right.
So
Should be
actually we need to see which come first when we sorted it. No, I think we don't need this.
the
We
home page.
already
Again, we're supposed to be on the home page first, right? I mean, what if you
no.
actually click refresh and we go to some other page, right? Like page not found or internal server error. So it needs to check for that, right? I mean, whether it's on home page or not.
Yeah, we can. Yeah, the logical we did. Yeah, we can. Okay, you're right. Actually,
Yeah,
we need to see which come first. If it's
exactly. So before even seeing this thing, I mean, shouldn't we actually? Okay, first of all, it's rate things.
go turn on the just open your page from Heroku and you can see what come first. I don't know what come.
Okay, I'm
Or
not sure.
actually from the it's all selected, right?
Yeah.
If
So
it's
should
all
we?
selected,
Yeah, I should see
then
all,
A
right?
should become first. You should see all, but when you sort it, the movie title,
Yeah, A
I
should come
mean,
first. That's fine.
A should come first, right?
See alarm thing because I should see. I will like stop this thing now. And let's see.
You can put it in one line, whatever.
Really?
Then you can put it in one line, just Amelie before, can use before.
Is it defined web steps? Because we need to actually go in like this, right?
Where you say it here.
No, that's what I'm asking. I mean, is it defined? Like, is the word before defined in web steps?
Yeah.
It is.
Let me give you the link. Let me give you the should be there because
Okay, fine. Yeah, got it. I should see. Okay. Okay. So what comes next? Chocolate? Maybe? No, it's chicken. And we do.
you don't need before Shidi. I would say only before Amelie. We don't need all.
So can't we just actually? We're not supposed to do it like this.
Yeah, I mean, you don't need the rest before Chile, whatever.
That is just like okay, fine, yeah. I mean, it's a generalized case that you're trying to set, right?
We don't need to say that we have to see A before A and B before C and C before D. I mean, when we just say we should see Aladdin before Emily, and then they will be in order.
Okay, let's try it. And, so,
You can use, yeah.
yeah, I can use like cucumber only. I know, but so I just want to be a bit more specific. Unable to find check mark readings.
When I check,
Okay,
you
that's
missed
the
something. When I check the following, yeah,
yeah. Now it's passing. Okay, so that part is done again. Hmm. And that's it. I think we're done.
how many tasks we have now?
Hmm?
How many is it? Is it 40?
Does it say 40 over here?
No, I
Then
just want to know how much is it because no, we need to uh for relays. We're not finished.
oh yeah, release statement.
Relays.
Okay, okay, got it. Sorry.
Your time is not over.
No, it didn't actually say anything about anything else, right? I mean, it just said about movie title. That's it. Movie short movie list, and it should create a step definition and then steps as and I should see a level before. That's it, right?
Which
So I thought,
and both
okay, but
sorting we
we
will
have to do it,
with the
right?
ability
Using
step. But
no problem. Just copy it from here.
no, but I don't see relays here. You see relays?
Yeah, I do. It's here. Where
Yeah,
is it?
yeah, yeah,
It's here.
yeah, yeah. I said, yeah, we have to do both.
You should see your movies, and then yeah, can you just tell me the release date order? I mean, the first one is the earliest is in 1968, which is 2001: A Space Odyssey, right?
Uh-huh.
Before this one's the next one, 1984, I guess, Terminator. And that should do it. Yeah, it's passing all right.
Other test is the craze. Actually, there are 16. Ah, that was we don't run all. Run all. I want to see all. Just run cucumber and
Yeah, I
see
know, I know, I know.
how many.
Bring it. 38 passed, so we still have two more then. Okay, we're done with this part, done this thing. We've already implemented this one as well. Web steps, we don't have to actually do anything there. This is also done. Scenario given feature display. Okay, given fine. We've done that. PG rating. Uncheck all of the checkboxes. We've done submit search operations. Show these are visible. And the other movies are not visible. We've already done that. Okay. See assignment. This is
Okay, that also we've done. So, are you sure there's supposed to be 40 checks in this thing? Where did you read that? I
No,
mean,
I'm not sure. I'm not really sure, but I'm checking the if it's something we don't do in the web
can
steps.
can you try uploading it and see? It's already your time, by the way. I took actually 5 minutes more.
Upload it from what you mean?
To the site edX and see if you're missing anything. I mean, it should pass if you've completed everything. You need to
Yeah,
save
let's
this
try
thing,
it.
and then you need to first push it to your GitHub account, then clone it from there, then convert it to a zip file, only the features folder, and then upload it to like edX.
Yeah, you can upload it now. I will.
Okay, let me try that.
Uh,
Are you gonna upload it or should I upload it?
you can do it. Show me the page. What about this last thing?
Which one?
Nah, I think we don't need it. Click on refresh. No. Mm-mm.
Are we missing something?
No, 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 no. I thought it was 200 from the web step. Show me the page. No, we don't. We don't need it to do this thing. If it's a core, respond to actual expert. No, let's try to upload it and then what they will said,
Okay.
because we cannot see, we don't see anywhere where this thing is really doing this thing. And support, maybe check my support environment selection path short library. Mm-mm. You can actually assessment. Yeah, so this missing you upload it.
Doing it, we are supposed to upload it using tags, right? So I'm just doing that.
What about this copyright expected page? Praise in such future alphabet. You lose your password again?
No, no. I'm just making a zip file. I've downloaded it on my local machine. I'm just actually making a zip file.
Ah,
You know. Okay, let's try uploading it now. Yeah, it's passing. Everything is good.
Okay.
Okay, cool. So we're done with this one as well. All we are left to do is just one last homework.
Yeah, we do it tomorrow night.
Okay, cool, man.
Can you stop the live, the
Can we stop
broadcast?
what? Yeah, sure, man.